Good morning, all. In this session, we shall be discussing about bridge bearings and expansion joints. These are very much necessary because the superstructure will be resting on the substructures and we need to provide proper bearings so that there will be complete cushioning effect, and due to the temperature variations there will be expansion and contraction in the superstructure, so that should be adequately compensated in the structure. So what is a bridge bearing? A bearing is an element of a bridge structure which determines the durability and reliability as well as its safety behavior. So in the middle of the last century, many innovative bearing designs were invented and it is very much popular in bridge engineering. The traditional ones are the rollers, rockers or the pin steel plate or the concrete hinges. And for the requirements of the designing, manufacturing and installing bridge bearings, nowadays it has been completely changed. Nowadays we use austenite steel, silicon, grease, PTFE, composite materials as well as the synthetic rubber and polyurethane. So these are the elastomeric bearings that is normally used in nowadays for the bridges supporting the superstructure. So elastomeric bearings can be anchored to surrounding structures, or it can be combined with the sliding element allowing the greater displacement of bridge structure. This displacement can be also limited by use of supporting steel plates equipped with blocking tubes. So in this figure you can see a box bearing, that is elastomeric bearing. This is a section of the polyurethane, and in this sketch you can see this bearing, elastomeric bearing, that is used for the blockades allowing display in one direction only. So here you can see that it is allowed, the moment displacement is allowed in only one direction. And nowadays we have, this is a modern elastomeric bearing. It can withstand up to 10 mm capacity of on the bridge support. So this is a section of the sliding elastomeric bearing usually used for permanent displacements. This is a pot bearing with central key. So you have a central key, it is a pot bearing that holds the superstructure. This is a guide bearing. So whenever there is sliding plate and a movable element, then you can use this type of guiding bearing in the structure. So this is a example cross section of a guiding bearing, where you can see that this is the sliding element. The middle portion is the sliding element, and the side portion is this articulation. So whenever the load is happening and there's a displacement, this guide bearing will be sliding to and fro and compensating the. Next is the expansion joints. So bridge expansion gaps form the discontinuities in the pavements. It may cause additional dynamic and impact loads. They also have influence on the durability and reliability of bridge expansion joints, which are often complex mechanical structures. So we have different types of expansion joints. We have buried expansion joints, we have flexible expansion joints, plug joints and all. So in this sketch you can see that it is a buried expansion joint. Here you can see a buried expansion joint. The top is the pavement. Okay. So this is a buried expansion joint, and this is the caulking. This is the abutment and abutments on either side. This is the caulking. This is the joint that is buried inside. This is the waterproofing. On the abutment you have a waterproofing. In between this waterproofing you have this buried expansion joint. On top of the buried joint you have the pavement reinforcement, and the top one is the crack sealant. This is a buried expansion joint. We have flexible plug expansion joint that is made up of bituminous filling material. So this is the bituminous filling mixture. Then we have the surface dressing. Then you have the tanking. This is the pavement. This is the pavement. Then we have the waterproofing. Waterproofing is also present. Then this is the fixing, caulking and the bridge deck. So this is the bridge deck, this is the caulking and this is the fixing. So this is a fixed flexible plug expansion joint and this is a buried expansion joint. Buried expansion joint will be inside the reinforcement and the pavement, and this flexible plug joint will